澳洲去年的森林野火造成10亿只动物命丧火海，幸存的动物也面临食物不足的生存危机。而受到疫情的影响，照顾动物的工作难度也增加了不少。
澳洲袋貂开心地吃着葡萄，享受工作人员的耐心照料。澳洲去年发生史上最严重的森林野火，估计超过10亿只动物命丧火海。幸运被救出的动物，有的伤势已逐渐恢复，有的则不敌伤势，仍然回天乏术。
I don't think many did survive. Lots of people were hoping that the burn victim would come in, but it was the fires were so extensive and intense.
对于这些被救出的野生动物来说，稳定的食物供给是它们活下去的关键。但野生动物保护团体表示，去年野火摧残，使得当地食物来源不足。加上新冠病毒疫情影响，受限社交距离，工作人员要一起共事变得困难。
The need is still there to help our wildlife, but unfortunately, due to restrictions, people aren't able to help like they were before.
葡萄园主人娜塔莉的作物因为被野火浓烟熏坏而全数报销。与其把作物当垃圾丢掉，她选择捐给动保团体，获得广大回响。
The joy on the kids' faces and cutting the grapes and throwing the grapes and the community spirit was beautiful.
这些食物就像一场及时雨，喂饱了轴尾袋貂和果蝠等野生动物，但食物和志工的数量仍远远不够。
We've lost so many animals. Each and every one of them are so important.
照护人员表示，有些动物需要再花上1年的时间，才能不用人类协助，回到野外过正常生活。记者林孝如整理报道。